Hey, what's going on, guys? James Bill here. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I come on here to speak to you about motivation, inspiration, and how to make money online, guys. This is the place to be. I will be uploading videos every other day, weekly, and then it's going to be pretty consistently, guys. I want to provide value. So please be sure to hit that subscribe button. My topic for today is the number one key step to making money online. And let's just go ahead and dive right into it, guys. That key step is taking action. As simple as it may sound, guys, this is the key to creating your own success. You have to take action. No matter how much info you think you're being bombarded with, or how technical it can be, don't worry about that. There's YouTube there. There's the internet. There's so many people out there that's willing to help you. So, just don't even worry about the technical stuff or information overload. Take your time, take a piece at a time, and take one step at a time. But the key is to take action, guys. You have to take action. You're going to have to just get out of your comfort zone. It's not going to be comfortable to you. Just like I'm, recording this video right now. When I first started out, guys, I could not get in front of this camera and do this knowing that, it's going to be out there for the world to see. But now it just doesn't matter to me. I'm average just like you are. But I took the steps, and it was so much gratification when I was able to earn my first 10K month online. This is why I'm telling you, take steps, take the action, and the rest is going to be there, guys. The bottom line is you need to follow others that's having the type of success that you like to have. Okay? Do what they're doing, and you're going to have the same amount of success. And it's not going to happen overnight. Keep that in mind. There is work involved, and it's not going to happen overnight. But if you take the steps, guys, and towards creating your own success and be consistently, daily, weekly, you're going to have success without a doubt. I just want to share that with you guys. Please be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. And the next time I shoot a video, guys, with some more information like that. And also, as a bonus for you today, I'm going to leave a link below. Go ahead and click on that link. That's my number one recommendation for work from home, guys. Go ahead, click on the link, and I'll see you on the next video. God bless.